once again to howtocookgreatfoods.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making a really simple tuna and white bean salad. It's very simple. So I've got some canned tuna there. There are lots of different types of qualities of canned tuna. The cheaper ones are kind of good if you're making a kind of pasta sauce or something. If you're going to be using these for a salad, just try and buy, you know, something a little bit more expensive. Works out a bit better, I think. 1 can there of white beans or cannellini beans, which I've washed nicely in some cold water. Some fresh basil. I've got some sliced onion there. I'm using red, but you could be using white. Here I've got some lime juice, or you could be using lemon juice if you wanted. Olive oil, they're about the same amounts, equal parts of. I've got some garlic there. I'm using quite a lot of garlic. There's like 2 nice cloves there. You might want a little less. And then we're going to hit it with a touch of salt and pepper. It's done. Okay, so mixing bowl. Got my tuna, my white beans and my onions. My lime juice or lemon juice. Olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil again. Garlic. I've got mine fairly chunky cut. You can make it smaller if you wanted. Some salt. Some black pepper. And then my fresh basil, which again I'm just going to break really roughly in there. If you wanted, a few little bits of sliced tomato or chopped tomato or some bell peppers might work. But yeah, just keeping this really simple. And it goes, and the stalk, I like that. I'm going to give that a mix. And it's done. Come back here, you. That's it. Let me stick that on the plate. Okay, super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.